Hello, this is Rosemary, owner of Hands of Life by Rosemary, located in New Jersey. June 17th at 11 a.m., which is a Monday, I'm giving a Develop Your Intuition workshop. I would love to have more people come in that don't know about this. Maybe they're just beginning. It's a really fascinating class where we explore different ways to use your intuitive insight. The reason why it's important to use your intuition is it does help with decision making, life problems, issues, etc. When you learn to hone your intuition, you'll better be able to listen to your inner guidance and you'll be able to navigate your life in a much easier way. So if you'd like to join, you need a ticket to sign in at rosemaryd.com. Look for Develop Your Intuition, and you have to do so soon because I do need a few people committed so I know that I'm giving the class. The last one was a lot of fun. We had, I think, 7 or 8 people, and my guests really, really enjoyed it and wanted to return. So I do hope you can join and let me know June 17th, 11 a.m. to 12:15. And if you do sign up, make sure you read what to bring to class. We're going to do some different and fascinating practices, and I think you'll enjoy it. Thanks. rosemaryd.com.